So here is when I pulling the bike forwards, and here is when I pulling it back. Forwards, back. But when I do fast, then it is nothing. When I'm going fast, it doesn't sound like that. But when I go slowly, is it something to be worried about? Thank you.